Are you having to wait forever just to render a video on Blender? You surely do not want to wait that long if you clicked on this video. Well, you're in the right place because in today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to render faster so you don't have to wait as long as before. Now let's get into the tutorial, shall we? Now, first of all, how the heck do we do it? Well, it's simple. You don't have to change any setting. No. We are using a software that is called Sheepit. Now, what the hell is Sheepit, you may ask? Well, it's basically a render farm. A render farm is a software that people use to render 3D animations that usually take forever. Sadly, they all cost money except this one, it's completely free. Now, how do we use it exactly? Well, in Microsoft or Google, simply type in Sheepit, and the first link you see is what you're seeing. Click on it. It should bring you to this screen. Now I have already logged in, but in the top right corner, it should say if you click on it to register, simply press that, and it should send you to this screen. Now all you will have to do is to put in a username, an email, and a password. After that, check in your emails where you should find an email from Sheepit. Also, I recommend you to not spam your password every 15 minutes, or you will simply get banned. Now you can go on to get started, where you should see some downloads. We want to download on Windows. Now open up your sheet, hit download, where you will find yourself here. Now put in your username and password into the box. And if you want, you can copy of my settings that I have, but you can play around with the settings. Now after when you're happy with your settings, you can happily click on Save. Now you will have to wait to get 10 points to start rendering your project. Why is this? Because Sheepit doesn't use machines, it uses computers around the world, and basically, except of one machine rendering, multiple are, and that what speeds up the project, also the more point you have in your account, the more faster your animation will render. Now before we render an animation, you will need to open up Blender again and make sure that automatically pack resources is ticked. Now you can render an animation. First click on Choose File and copy this down to find your Blender project. Now after finding your Blender file, click on Send File and wait for it to load. This should take up to 5 or 8 minutes. After it loads, it should take you to this screen. The only thing that you really need to change is to check Generate an MP4 video. The rest is up to you. After you're finished, just click on Add this blend. Now you are officially done! Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, please subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to at least get 100 subs at the end of the year. You will also find more useful content like this in Blender videos. Anyways, that's all I have to say. See you later.